Hey guys, it's Beer. Where are you? So safe.
Our lesson for today is about
Chicken, Cha-Cha, Lala, or Boom Boom.
Chiki cha-cha, boom boom, la 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 la.
sabihin mo kung ilan yung paa ng animal na sasabihin ko.
Okay.
Ilan ang paa ng snake? Ilan ang paa ng snake?
Wala.
Galing! Ilan ang paa ng bird?
1, 2.
2. Ilan ang paa ng dogs?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ilan?
4.
Ah, galing!
Pansit. Nam, nam, nam.
Ilan ang paa ni Brielle? Oh, ilan yan?
1, 2.
Oh, ilan yan?
2.
2. Ilan ang paa ng cat?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
4.
Correct.
Chara. Thank you.
Ilan ang kamay ni Beer?
1, 2. 2 lang.
2. Ano yung mga kamay mo? Ano to?
Kiwi.
Left or right to naman? Oh. This is?
Yes.
Okay. And where is your right hand?
Yes.
Yay! Very good.
This is left.
Yes.
This is right.
Yes. What are you eating?
Kanin?
Kanin ba yan? Is that kanin?